Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's analysis, which you can tell by the title, which is regarding none other than Kaspa. First and foremost, I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys for showing tremendous amount of support on the last update. You guys absolutely killed it with the support, and continue supporting. And I've made up my mind how I'm going to schedule these updates. So what I'm going to do with Kaspa is I'm going to give you guys updates about news, price every other day. So continue supporting and I will continue bringing these updates for you guys. So if we're looking at the price of Kaspa on the daily side, it's up 3.3%. So is the entire market. We're seeing the majority of the market in green right now, but we are aware as to what's going on as far as the monthly side goes. It's up 53.4%. The things are heating up for the entire market, but as far as the 12-month time frame goes, Kaspa is the top gainer in the top 100. It's up a staggering 15,453%, guys. This is shocking, and this really shows us how far this project has come and why it has so much traction. Every bull cycle we do tend to see new projects that succeed. There's going to be 2, 3 to 4 new projects that come out that really gain that traction, and this time around the one that's being talked about the most is of course Pepe and Kaspa. And what the future holds, I think, is insanely bullish. But of course, as always, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at the price of Kaspa as of July 21st, you guys can see it's currently sitting at 3.5 cents. It's up 3% in USD comparative. It's also up 2.6% in BTC comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, $685 million. It's about the same as to what it was over the past 3 to 4 days. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 14.5 million. One thing you guys want to be paying attention to is the rank. Kaspa rank continues to grow, and that really shows that the momentum is on its side. But it has done something very interesting today, and obviously I will show exactly what that is when I pull out the charts for you guys. But as far as news goes, great news. So Kaspa posted this today about 4 hours back, and it says the Kaspa community is excited to share the news. Now Payments IO accepts Kaspa as and offers your customers a seamless and innovative payment experience. So this is great. More and more places that are accepting Kaspa, more exchanges listing Kaspa, and I think it's just a matter of time where we do attract the big boys such as Binance. I honestly think Binance is already aware as to what Kaspa is all about. Up, like I said, 15,000% over the past, just a few months, not even 12 months, and obviously everyone is talking about it. It's a layer 1. We know how interesting layer 1s are, how much potential they have, how much interest they gain. And not only that, these exchanges see it as a revenue because, when there is a project that has a lot of hype, they would want to list it because they know that could generate them a lot of money because more people will be trading on their platforms. Why would they be okay with having their competitors trading, with this and taking the advantage when they can do so as well? So, things are aligning, and I've shared this in my other update, just 2 days back that, I could see Kaspa, making a move like Cardano did. And a lot of people, like I said, make that comparison that this is that next Cardano. And I've said we saw something very similar happen with ADA's price in 2020. ADA was at like below a penny, 1 cent, 2 cents, and then it had that massive rally when the bull cycle came. So could we see something like that occur as well? Something interesting that I spoke about right now happened with the price of Kaspa. We saw a wick towards the upside today, which was a new monthly high at 3.6 cents almost. So is there something that's going on that we're not aware of? On the hourly, you can see this for yourself. There was a massive buy. I think this was a market buy someone did. A lot of people are entering, and this should show you it speaks for itself. But this wick tells me that there is something either happening or there's just a whale that just have market bought. But who knows if Binance is already buying? Of course, Binance is missing, and I think Binance itself can bring so much more exposure to this, especially it being a layer 1. As I've mentioned, layer 1s are insanely hyped up. And speaking about hype, Kaspa has insane amount of hype right now. And speaking about about price, look at what's happening. We're about to retest this level of resistance, guys. We haven't seen a retest since April, so it's been about 3 months since we have seen the price retest that zone, and I think this time around we could see a breakout. Might see a rejection at the beginning, but I think if the volume is on our side, we could see a breakout and set a new all-time high. So basically, in short words, we could be seeing $1 billion market cap very near, about a 30% gain in order for us to regain that $1 billion mark. Things are moving, and BTC on the other hand is also forming a little bit of a green candle. But the most important thing to notice is the dominance is still going to the low side. And, I've seen so many people come and say, they've packed up their bags for Kaspa. Some people are saying they've been accumulating below a penny. I'm jealous of those people. I wish I, was, paying more attention to this project then. But even if we're looking at it, the bigger point of view, like I said, if we're looking at the bigger picture, this project could be one of the big boys, especially if they continue innovating and their ecosystem continues to grow. It's quite new still, but if they do and they pull this off, this can be one of the big boys. And I think exchange listings, in my opinion, it's not a matter of if, I think it's a matter of when they're going to happen, because I think it has already shown that, it is capable of, competing with the other layer ones, and, having a market cap of $1 billion back in April as well. It hit $1 billion market cap. So people are aware, the potential that this has. And, it's really going to be interesting to see how, this plays out. I really believe that this is going to be one of the top performers. That this is going to be the altcoin that a lot of people will have their eyes on. We're seeing a lot of interest coming in. Their community is growing at a tremendous rate. More and more partnerships launching every single day. So it really shows that interest is there, and, hype factor is definitely there for itself right now. But like I said, if it's able to smash out of this level of resistance, guys, we could be in for a new all-time high. So could we potentially see a new all-time high in the next 24 hours? Possibly. But we do need to keep an eye out on Bitcoin. But speaking about Bitcoin is sitting at some very critical levels, as I've mentioned. If we lose this support, we could be going down to 28,700. But as far as Kaspa is concerned, it's outperforming Bitcoin, outperforming majority of the cryptocurrency market. And, I think fireworks are about to begin very soon. But I want to hear from you guys what you guys think. Are you guys on the same page? Are you guys accumulating? Where could you see the price of Kaspa going at the end of August? Not at the end of this month, at the end of August. Do you think it is going to be above 6 cents or possibly even 8 cents next month? Let me know down below in the comment section, and also let me know what are you guys doing right now. So like I said, my main target right now is at that 3.68 cents level of resistance. Might see a little bit of a retest and rejection once we retest this, but I do believe that the breakout is very imminent. But like I said, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys on Sunday. Continue supporting, and I will continue bringing these updates for you guys. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.